Hi, welcome to Just Martha Designs. I wanted to kind of give a little brief update about what's been happening. I know I've gone on a huge break, and I actually took a break from any card making, video making, pretty much everything with the start of school. Prior to the start of school back in July, I had to have an epidural steroid injection in my back for a herniated disc, which helped tremendously for at least 3 months, and I just recently had that taken care of again. But one of the major reasons why I took the break was, one, because sitting prior to the injection was really difficult, and two, when we went back to school, a lot of my shelves that I had in my room, my craft room, and even the desk that I used, I had to take that to school with me because I needed it in order to use it in my classroom, basically, because I needed more shelves. My old shelves that I had in my classroom had broken, and I wanted to replace that. So I didn't have a place to craft because I'd taken my lovely desk that I used to craft on to school, but I've recently replaced that. So now I can start back to making cards and crafting and painting and all the lovely things that I actually enjoy doing. Plus, with the issues with my back kind of calmed down, I have a little bit more of an opportunity to be able to sit in my chair and actually craft and work in my room. And I've been really working and rearranging things and kind of getting everything ready for that, just because it's been so long since I actually crafted. But I hope to start creating more videos and have those available coming up very soon as I have an opportunity to plan. It's been really crazy trying to get a lot of the different things that's basically connected to my job, and my main job is teaching. We've got a lot of changes that are going on as far as really teacher assessment, assessing teachers, how effective is the teaching, and they actually put me on the curriculum writing team, so I'm busy with that as well. They sent us an email, said it's such a great honor for you to be chosen, and I thought, yay, but that just means a lot more work, and that's okay. We'll actually get it completed, but it's just having that going on as well, and trying to run a business too makes it a little more difficult, but it's okay. Plan, and that's pretty much how it's going to be. Just making sure that I arrange my time to the point that it's most effective for me. But I'm really excited, and if you have any ideas for cards that you'd like to see, or maybe techniques that you would like to see, just put a comment below and let me know, and I'll work on those. Even if it's just trying to plan a way to maybe create a less expensive product. I know a lot of people have seen my video for the $3, basically the $3 stamping tool that I created. So, if you want to see something like that, if there's something else that you'd like to see, just let me know. Just drop me a link below, and I will work on that and see what I can't come up with. Right now, the only thing that I'm managing to do is to come up with creative ways to store my stuff, because having to put a lot of a lot of the stuff that I had on like 2 or 3 shelves onto just a very few is kind of my challenge right now. But thank you so much for being patient. Like I said, I look forward to growing this channel a lot more in the coming months, and I hope that you stick around for that. Thank you. Bye.